Good morning. Today is Wreaths Across America Day, a day where tens of thousands of people across the United States meet in local cemeteries, military cemeteries, to pay tribute, to lay a wreath for those who gave the ultimate sacrifice for country, for that love. Today we remember them. This morning here at the Good Shepherd Cemetery, we had maybe 100 people laying wreaths. At each marker, you read out loud the name, the rank, and the service and the war that they served in. And for the families of those that we honored today, who are without, yet again, another Christmas without a loved one, we say that we love you, we remember you, and the sacrifice of your family. Guys, remember them. Say a prayer for those families, even now. God bless. And God bless America, and we'll see you next time.